right, we are on page 7. Let us chase the squirrel. So you have another chance to learn it if you didn't get it all. This one's harder. What key are we in?
E.
E. How many black keys in E?
2.
More than that.
3.
There's something on your page that tells you.
4.
I think you guys are just guessing. Where on your page is it?
1, 2,
She
4.
wasn't just guessing. Yep, see those sharps right there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 black keys in E. When you do the full scale, when you're just doing with your 5 fingers, do, re, mi, fa, so, there's only 2. That's why you said 2 to begin with. And I think you'll only need 2 in this song, I think. So I think that's okay. All right. Now, where is your E, do? What would you say about it in the right hand? What would it be on? Emmy, you wake up. Help us out here.
E.
Will it be on a line or a space?
Space. Oh, wait.
Your book tells you that too. Look at your book. Look at your book. Somewhere it shows you where E, do is.
9.
Yep. Is it on a line or a space?
9.
It's on a line. That's why they have that there.
Do,
But
do,
in the
re,
left hand,
re,
what's it going to be on?
mi, do.
Look at your
The
book tells
pinky.
you this too.
Oh,
Where's your E, do in the left hand?
it is
On a
Space.
space. Good. So look at your very first note. What note is that?
do, do.
It's a do. You're right. Okay, so let's go over the solfege real quick. You ready? Put your finger on the first note. Do you see it's staccato? So we're going to kind of say it staccato. Are you ready? Do, do,
Re,
re, re. This one's not staccato. Do you see that?
Mi,
Mi, so. Back to staccato.
do,
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 do, re, re, mi, re, re. Okay, now let's stop because I'm not hearing Emmy say anything. Emmy, you help us on the bottom line or I'm going to make her not say it and you'll have to do it by yourself. Okay, what's that first note?
do,
Do.
do,
Do.
Okay, you be quiet for a minute, Reagan. Do,
Do.
do.
So.
Nope. What comes after do is just going straight up.
Way.
Uh-huh. Re, re,
Me.
mi.
So.
Okay, you skipped a note. That was me, and this is...
What?
You said it right. You just didn't point to it.
So.
Me, so, there you go. Last part.
Same as the beginning.
Yep. Do,
Do,
do, re, re.
Me.
Except the end isn't the same. What's the last note? It's always a...
So.
No, what do you always land on when you end a song?
Do.
Do. Yeah, do you see the little line under that do? That's called a
On mine is
tenuto.
actually 2.
Yeah, that's because there's one above the chord too. Okay? So that tenuto says, don't staccato me. It wants you to hold it for the whole one beat that it gets. Okay? All right, so we've talked about the staccato. We've talked about the solfege. Let's talk about the chords for a minute.
Oh.
You see you have a lot of chords.
Yes.
So there's 2 reasons,
Yeah.
well, 3 reasons this one's harder. Number 1, it's in E, more black keys. Number 2, it has lots of chords. Number 3, it has the staccato and legato, so that makes it a little harder, right? Okay, let's talk about the chords. What kind of chord's the first one? Look at it, Emmy.
It is on 1 chord.
It's a 1 chord. What's the second one, Emmy?
5/7.
5/7, and then
One
1 chord,
1
1 chord,
5/7,
5/7,
1 chord,
1 chord, 5/7. Second line, 1 chord, 5/7, 1 chord, 1 chord, 5/7, 1 chord. Good job. Okay, here's the only thing I need you to do with your pencil. Remember last week we talked about skips? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
There are only 2 skips in this song, and I want you to find them and put a circle around them.
Skips.
Okay, do you need me to demonstrate what a skip
this?
is again?
This?
No, don't circle if you don't remember. I think Emmy remembers. She looks like she's pointing at the right thing. Okay, I'm going to draw it up here. I'm sorry, who has to watch this? I have to draw this first. Okay, so a skip is when you go from a line to the next line. It can be up or it can be down. It doesn't matter which way it is, but it has to be in the next line. Or from a space to the next space, up or down, and you're going to circle it. Okay, so I had to set the phone down. There's what I was drawing. Line to the next line, up or down. space to a space, up or down, is a skip. Okay, did you find it? Emmy found it. Good job, Emmy. You found it right away. Looks like Reagan's got it too.
I actually showed her where the two.
Oh, you were supposed to do that, Emmy.
I wanted to help.
I know, but she needs to learn it herself, but I think she could have done it. That was kind of you, though. All right, are we ready? I think it looks like we're ready to have me play it for you. Are we ready?